India's maiden mission to Mars will lift off in November next year. It will take 450 crore rupees and a 10-month flight over 56 million kilometers to reach the red planet. The next best time to launch will come only in early 2016 or 2018.
The timing is important because this is the time, by the time the mission gets there, that Mars will be comparatively the closest. So there's a small window in which we need to make a launch, and that's the reason why the mission has to go up next year.
India's spacecraft won't land on Mars. It will merely orbit it and send back photos and data on its atmosphere, climate and geology. The aim is to study if life ever existed or can be sustained on Mars.
Solar radiation, high energy radiation, reaches unhindered, almost unhindered on the surface of Mars. Apart from that, solar UV radiation. It virtually sterilizes the soil because hydrogen peroxide will be formed, and then that is an oxidizing agent, and then any living thing will be destroyed. But subsoil, of course, there are many possibilities.
Since India hasn't mastered cryogenic GSLV engines yet, a PSLV XL rocket will be used for the launch. But that severely limits the amount of scientific equipment we can send up.
Here the orbit which is planned is something like 500 kilometers by 80,000 kilometers. So which is not at all attractive for an observation mission. Since the GSLV development is not completed, they are planning to send it with PSLV. The net result is it will have hardly about 20 kilogram of instruments on board, which is very meager, and with that I don't think much useful science can be done.
The Mars satellite will have equipment derived from the Chandrayaan mission, but it will have better propulsion, power generation and communication facilities. While experts are excited about the challenges of conquering the red planet, they do sound a word of caution.
The Indian space program has very rightly, for many decades, chosen the path of being oriented to applications which benefit the country. And my only concern, if anything, is not the risk of failure, it's the risk that the program should not get diverted to these high visibility, somewhat prestige related events.
With Dakshina Muralidharan and Abhir VP, I'm Jaimohan Joseph.